Hello, this is Pradeep from Sizzlecious with Roti Chila recipe. Roti Chila recipe is a quick and easy to make recipe. This is an excellent way to make breakfast from leftover rotis. All that needed is gram flour, onion and some leftover rotis. It is very easy to make this recipe. Make gram flour batter, add onions, roast it on both sides of the roti, and the delicious breakfast is ready for kids' tiffin. Your children will eat this chila made with leftover rotis with great fervor. After watching this recipe, you will never throw away leftover rotis. Just make hot chila out of them. The great feature of this recipe is that it is prepared in a pinch and you can add as many vegetables as you want. I am ready and I hope so are you. So without any further ado, let's start today's recipe. First, add gram flour in a bowl. Then add finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chilies, dry fenugreek leaves, ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, and finely chopped green coriander. Now mix all these ingredients. If you want to make chila quickly, you can make it by using onions only. But if you have time, you can add tomatoes, corn kernels, capsicum, green onions and beans. Now add water to the mixture and make a batter. You do not have to dilute batter too much. Now take a chapati and then evenly spread batter over it. Heat a griddle and pour oil over it. Next, spread the oil with the help of a brush. When oil is hot, carefully place the roti on the griddle with the side having batter applied down. Now turn down the heat to medium. Apply oil on the top side of the roti with help of a brush. Now apply batter on the top side of the roti and then roast the roti from other side as well. A delicious chila made of leftover rotis is ready. Serve it hot with curd, sauce or hot tea. You can also sprinkle some chaat masala over it. That was all for today. See you soon with a new recipe. Take care, stay healthy, eat healthy and keep cleanliness around you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.